Finally, Solana. So this had this 2-month demand here, and again, I don't know if I've still got my picture on this, drawn a few times. No, it doesn't look like it. So I always said, while we had a monthly demand here, I said there was the risk this was going to be like Ripple, and pull that triangle distribution pattern that the crypto market seems to like quite a lot. So I was hoping for a bit of a better bounce off the monthly demand, but it only came up. So we did get a bounce there, but it only came up into I think a local that was a 3-day supply at the time, although it's now a weekly. And then the retest barely got anywhere after that was the Trump pump. And the retest barely got anywhere. So again, I still would like this to take out these lows. Yeah, I'd like to see a reaction on a little bit lower on this on the monthly demand. And again, I'm not taking, while it's got 5-day and weekly supply now in there, I don't want to look for aggressive shorts for the same reason as I commented for everything else, that I feel like it's too aggressive. With the price being at support, and while we could just get if I start to see very, very slow price action through here, then maybe I'll start being more confident of shorts. But until I see a bit more of this bounce and know if we're going to get a bigger bounce, and then, as I said, that large inverse head and shoulders pattern that I think is potentially playing out on quite a lot of the majors charts at least, I want to wait and see. This also has a monthly supply up here, so I've set the alert for the open of that monthly supply, and then the various untested levels inside it should we get up there. The BTC pair on this actually is nasty as well, but again, possible support. So it's nasty but possible support. So the reason I say it's nasty is because this very much resembles Ether Bitcoin. So if you recall, the Ether Bitcoin chart is similar to this and is now somewhere like around here equivalently. So this is on a weekly demand, and again, I don't want to preempt. Yes, it can bounce from here. I don't expect it probably to bounce more than through to 2 monthly supply before a bigger drop. So we could get some sort of a bounce now, although it's still in a local down structure. Yeah, the similarities with the Ether BTC pair can't be ignored. And in fact, Ether BTC was probably significantly stronger because it had a lot more supply, a lot more demand higher up than the Sol BTC pair has, because the Sol BTC pair came up a lot quicker. So I've set an alert on this, I think, for monthly demand, through monthly demand down here if we get a bigger drop. But yeah, this could give hope for at least an interim bounce on the US dollar pair. But again, I think there's probably better things to look at.